Good morning, Group 2. We're just going to practice a bit of mental subtraction. That means just kind of working things out in our heads. So I've just got a number line there, 0 to 30. I'm just going to practice some questions using the number line. See, also it's good, you could actually use a ruler as well, which would be really good. If I had a calculation, 13 take away 5, so there's my 13, and I need to take away 5. So like we've said before, we could just go back in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there we go, the answer is 8. Okay, but sometimes that can take some time. I want to find those quicker ways. So we could say, well, if we go from 13, okay, so if I go from 13 and I go back to my 10, so I'm going to go there, 1, 2, 3. So we should all know that 13 take away 3 is 10, okay? And we need to take away 5 altogether. So how much more do I need to take away? So it'll be another 2. Because 3 add 2 is 5. So 13 take away 5 is 8. Okay, so how about if I did 14 take away 8? Okay, so 14, it's not working. Okay, so 14, and then take away 8. Now, if I took away individual ones, I'd be there forever. So what I want to do is 14, and I want to go back to my 10 first. So 14, and I'm going to count back how many until I get to 10? 4. Okay, so I've taken 4 away. And then, how much more do I need to take away? So I've taken 4 away from 8 already. So 8 take away 4 is 4. Then using my knowledge of number bonds, 10 take away 4 is 6. So 14 take away 8 is 6. Now we could do it another way where we could actually count forward and find that difference between 14 and 8. So we could actually start with 8. And, start with 8. And I'm finding the difference between 8 and 14. 14 take away 8. So if I go from 8, I could jump to my next 10. So I've added 2. And then from 10 to 14, how much is that? 4. So 8 add 6 equals 14. So let me just write that down. 8 add something equals 14. And that was 6. So just another way to do it, we can count forward and we can count back. Let's go for slightly bigger numbers. So I've got 23 take away 7. Let me use a different colour. So 23. And I don't want to take 7 away. So I could count back, jump back to my 10, the 10 before 23. So 1, 2, 3. 23 take away 3 is 20. And how much more do I need to take away? 7 take away 3 is 4. So I've taken away 4. So 3 add 4 is 7. So 23 take away 7 is 16. Now what I could do is count forward. Another way so we could do that is by saying 7 add something equals 23. So 7 and 23. Now there's quite a few things on there already. Okay, 7 to 10. So 7, I jump to my next 10, is 3. And then what I could do from 10, jump to my next 10. So I've actually just added 10. 10 add 10 is 20. And then I've got to get to 23. So 10 add 3, 13 add 3 is 16. Put that in there. 7 add 16 is 23. And 23 take away 7 is 16. So we did that subtraction by counting back, and we did that subtraction by counting forward. So 23 take away 7 is 16, but also 7 add 16 equals 23. So sometimes it's good to have a go at both ways, but some of you will find it easier to find the difference. Subtraction by counting forward, and some by counting back. I'm just going to give you a few questions to have a go at now. I know some of you like to write these down on paper. Okay, there's just some quick fire subtraction questions. 7 questions. Pause the video, write them down on paper or in your homework book, and see how quickly you can do those. Can you do them in 1 minute or even 30 seconds? Have a go.